Inter-VLAN routing allows devices in separate VLANs, such as different departments, to communicate by using a router or layer 3 switch. This method ensures that traffic between VLANs is controlled and secure, making it ideal for organizations needing both segmentation and interdepartmental communication, like schools or businesses with multiple divisions. Static routing involves manually defining specific paths for network traffic on a router. This approach provides precise control over routes, directing traffic through the network in a predictable way. It's most useful for small or stable networks, such as branch offices or specific segments within larger networks, where routes don't change often and efficient, secure traffic paths are needed. So this is the topology I create. So this is the router, switch, and devices. So I set the router name using my last name, router, and also for the switch. So inter-VLAN routing can communicate with each other on a single network, while static connects distinct networks across this router. So to test this, let's try pinging their IP address. Let's try ping their IP address. For example, this is the TC1 or counting loop. Then for registrar, no. Let's try on different side. And let's try for the router.